welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Garnier Ultimate Blends range, and the range that we're going to be reviewing today is the Strength Restorer, which is the Honey Treasures one. It is meant for fragile hair prone to breakage. As you guys know, I do have a Garnier Ultimate Blends series on my channel, and this is going to be the second video in that series. The very first video that I filmed on the Ultimate Blends ranges was the avocado, I think it's the nourishing range. Yes, that was the very first one that I filmed. So yes, I'm looking forward to bringing this to you guys. I really would like you to stop the video right here and comment down below letting me know what your favorite range in the ranges is. Okay, so if you had to choose from the whole Ultimate Blends ranges, that is, you know, silky, what, the brown, the cocoa, I think the honey, the avo, the oat milk, which one would you prefer? Which one would you choose? So yes, please just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me as always. I really do appreciate you guys. Yeah, let's get into the video. So in the Garnier Ultimate Blends range, this is the Strength Restoring one. They have 4 products. They have a shampoo, they have a conditioner, they have a deep conditioning balm, as well as a serum. This serum is meant to strengthen your fragile hair prone to breakage. And so I used all 4 products in my video, and I'm going to talk you through what I loved, what I hated, and why I like it. So the first product that we're going to be talking about is the actual shampoo. A little goes a very long way. I think I put in, listen guys, about a tablespoon. I don't know how you measure that, but it wasn't a lot of product, and a little really goes a long way. It foams really well, and I think one of the reasons it foams so well is because one thing you should note about the Ultimate Blends and ranges is they're not sulfate free. They still do have sulfates. If you guys didn't know, sulfates are responsible for the foaming that happens in our shampoos, our shower gels, dishwashing liquid. It's meant to help clean and get rid of grease, grime, and all of that. So these aren't sulfate free, however they are paraben free. The one thing that I do like about this shampoo in particular is even though it has sulfates in it, it doesn't strip your hair. It still leaves your hair feeling cleansed but fairly soft. And I am saying fairly because there is still that feeling where you know you've used a sulfate shampoo. So it really feels like you're starting afresh. There's absolutely no grease in your hair, but your hair does not feel strawy. It doesn't feel tight and hard. It just feels super clean. Like if you could rub on it, it would go squeak squeak. You know what I mean? Yeah. So the shampoo is formulated with 3 luxurious treasures from the beehive: enriching honey, known for its nourishing properties, nurturing royal jelly, reputed as a revitalizing elixir, and protective propolis extract, believed to act as a protective barrier on the hair. Our new formula, with its irresistible fragrance, weightlessly nourishes, reinforces, and helps protect fragile hair from breaking, and fortified from root to tip. Hair feels stronger as if restored. The one thing that I did realize when I was shampooing my hair is even though my hair felt really dry prior to shampooing my hair, it didn't shed. There wasn't a lot of shedding, there wasn't a lot of tangling during the shampooing process. As you guys know, there are some shampoos that can cause tangling and what's the other word, and a lot of shedding, and your hair can feel stripped. So I would give this shampoo a 4 out of 5 because I love the avocado one more. It worked better for me and for my hair. As is, my hair really needs a lot of moisture, so I wouldn't really go for, even though my hair is breaking and my hair is prone to breakage, I have realized that what I need for my hair isn't something that strengthens it but keeps it well moisturized, because I think what's lacking is a moisture in my. The second product that we're going to talk about today is the Ultimate Blends conditioner, And I wish you guys could feel this. This is the big bottle and it is almost empty. One thing I can give them a high five for is Garnier's conditioners at thebomb.com. I mean, the moment you apply it onto your hair, it instantly feels softer. I don't know what is in it, I don't know how it happens, but your hair instantly feels softer. Detangling is a breeze. So love this. Would I use this every other day, every shampoo day? Yes, I would. And it's meant to do exactly the same with the one thing that you are supposed to expect when using the conditioner is that your hair will get stronger in just a week. So you're supposed to use a smooth, generous into wet. You're supposed to smooth a generous amount into wet hair and rinse thoroughly. Use after shampoo and indulge in one of our treatments. So this really does condition your hair. My hair didn't feel stripped. My hair was so easy to detangle just because of this conditioner right here. I would give this a 5 out of 5. It is by far one of the best products in this range. So the conditioner gets a high five from me. It's also meant for damaged hair, so if you do have, let's say, heat damaged hair, I would suggest going for something like this. But again, I feel like depending on your damage, if your damage is more from things like heat and overuse and all of that, you need to go for something more nourishing, something that brings back moisture into your hair, hydration, because sometimes products that strengthen your hair can do the opposite effect. They can have an opposite effect on your hair. Instead of stopping it from breaking, they could end up making it stronger, and sometimes when it's hair strong, it doesn't really take in moisture and all of that. So love this, love this. Unfortunately, I was very disappointed by the Ultimate Blends, the Strength Restoring Balm. I don't know, I just feel like the avocado one has me really spoiled. I don't know what I expected, but this didn't work the way that I expected to. I expected to put it into my hair and then my hair drinks it up and automatically it feels just as soft, if not softer than it felt when I put in the conditioner. But it had the opposite effect. Like it got in, yes, and it worked, but I didn't see my curls come together, and it didn't do the same thing. However, I am going to say, considering that with all the Ultimate Blends deep conditioning balms, you are supposed to leave them in your hair for about 5 minutes. And for a deep conditioning treatment that you can use for 5 minutes only, it works really well, because the moment I took off my plastic cap, which you guys just saw me putting on, and the reason why I put on the plastic cap is because, guys, honestly, I hate washing my shower cap after it has conditioning treatments in it. So yeah, this is very good. I think I would use it like mid-week. Jesus, yes, that's the word. During the week for my second re-moisturizing hair treatment, just to bring back moisture, especially during winter. But I wouldn't use it as my main deep conditioning treatment because, I don't know, it just didn't have the kapow that I was expecting. So yeah, I would give this, again, I think a 3.5 out of 5. I don't know, I think after using the conditioner, I expected so much more from this balm, but it did really work well. If you're in a hurry, I would pick this up. I prefer the avocado range one more than I prefer this. So yes, I would include this in my regimen, but I wouldn't use it daily. I mean, I wouldn't use it all the time. I would use it when I was in a hurry. If I really needed, you know, that extra, I would mix it in with other conditioners. Would I repurchase? Definitely. Would I make it the main one? Nope, because I feel like it doesn't have that bang that sometimes your hair needs, especially if you, like me, you have damaged hair. And then finally, let's talk about the Strength Restorer Serum. So this is like honeybee propolis. So it is crafted by bees to protect the beehive. Propolis extract is believed to act as a protective barrier on the hair. For luxurious serum, smoothers look of split ends and leaves hair with healthy looking shine. As you guys can see, I used it today and my hair does look extremely healthy. My split ends aren't out here like, hey. So it does tame the hair. The other thing that I noticed is as soon as you apply it to your hair feels so smooth and luxurious. Like, it just, this has me feeling like my hair needs more serums in its regimen. Like, it goes a really long way. Like, just like one little like cuckoo goes a very long way. As you can see, when I applied it onto my hair, I applied it in downward motion, and I always apply it soon after I get out of the shower and have just towel dried my hair before it is completely dry and before I manipulate it or add any other products. And this is because I feel like I want to create a barrier and seal in all that hydration from the water in the shower, so that, I don't know, I just feel like it does a really good job when I work it in like that prior to adding oils and adding butters and creams. So I use this straight out of the shower when my hair is still damp, and I've seen that it really does go a long way in preventing split ends, in managing split ends, and also it does, if you use it consistently, your hair does start to feel stronger, healthier, and especially on the ends. As you know, most of your hair is just dead ends, so I think having this in your regimen will really go a long way. I like this. I absolutely love it. The moment you put it in your hair, it feels so soft, like cushiony. It feels like wool. Okay, soft like wool. So yes, guys, I would give this a I think a 5 out of 5. So the range in itself is a strengthening range. I think does exactly what it is meant to do. I think sometimes when it comes to products, especially natural hair products, we get some certain things mixed up. Strengthening products are supposed to strengthen your hair, which means sometimes your hair will feel soft, will feel different from the way that it feels when you use a nourishing range. So your hair is going to feel not as bouncy and not as soft. It will feel stronger, and there should be less shedding, and there was almost like zero shedding during the wash process, which I loved. Even after combing, it was so much better than when I used the avocado range. The serum goes a very long way, and I feel like this little bottle here can last you a very long time. So would I repurchase the range? Yes, I would, but not right now, not during winter, because I feel like what my hair needs is more nourishment and not really strength. So yes, I would give the Garnier Ultimate range, strengthening restorer range, I think a strong 3 and 3 2/3, like 3.75 out of 5. Why? Because I was so disappointed by the balm. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Please do let me know what you thought about the Garnier Ultimate ranges, strengthening restorer with honey treasures, and what range you guys would like to see next. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.